The coronavirus pandemic has changed our world forever, forcing us all into our homes for the past year, causing massive economic damage, and worst of all, costing many precious lives. Luckily, with recent medical advances, governments are starting to distribute vaccines that should reduce the spread of the virus. However, how is it that as vaccines are distributed, cases still continue to go up? Well, the main issue is that for large countries such as Canada and the United States, how do these governments decide what the optimal distribution of these vaccines should be? And will the decision be equitable, or will it favor certain racial groups or economic groups? This was our motivation behind Guide Vaccine. Guide Vaccine is a website that finds the optimal vaccine distribution across a list of user-selected places in order to minimize deaths using reinforcement learning.
Okay, welcome to our website. So on our website, there's 4 selections on the menu bar on the top that will help you navigate to the different parts of the website. To begin simulating, you click on Choose Your Places, which will take you to this form. Here you can choose countries or states to choose how you want to distribute your vaccines. Then you enter the number of days you're giving out the vaccine for, and then you enter the number of vaccines that are given out per day. Then you choose the vaccine, which helps the model calculate based on the efficacy of the vaccine. Then you choose your countries or states, and you click Simulate. After this, it'll take some time for the program to create the model. However, while this is happening, you're able to visit a little preview of what's going on. So this TensorBoard link will show you how the training is currently taking place.
So we trained our model for about 3 hours, and you can see on the TensorFlow graph over here that it starts to perform quite well, and near the end it starts converging towards a local maximum. And as you can see now, we can see the results of our policy learned by our AI agent, which shows in an interactive slider the vaccine distribution proposed per day. And as you can see, it prioritizes USA and Russia because of the fact that they have higher number of COVID cases right now. So our algorithm managed to learn that. And then scrolling down, you can also come and see how our policy performs compared to other naive policies, such as one based on the ratio of populations or the ratio of infections, and also much better compared to no policy, which means no vaccinations. And the rest of our website is also pretty interactive, where you can learn more about the model we used, such as this describing about the SRD model we took from literature, and we go pretty thorough about it. And then we can also look at the simulation and the parameters we use for the simulation and how we train the AI agent to do what it does.